Myself, Dr. Sushil Kumar Parekh, Professor in Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal. As currently we have been facing the crisis of COVID-19, but I think this is not only a crisis, rather everything gives us some opportunities. In India, in last 1 month, we have seen a massive change in use of the online platform, specifically in case of education, in case of meetings, in case of conferences, webinars. If we are using as one part in the education, it is actually reducing the cost of education. So the universities or institutes need not to pay the bills of the electricity or the transportation cost of the students and the faculty members has also gone down drastically. This is one side. It has economic implications on the transporters, we can understand. But the platform which we have been using in education, like online platform, it is allowing students 24/7 without any timeline or boundary. This is one point. The point number 2 is the COVID-19 may create a very big opportunity for India to become a soft power if India or we Indians can strictly maintain the rules and regulations related with COVID-19, and we can remain in our houses for some period of time, and we can protect ourselves from this crisis. This protection can give us a mileage in terms of economic benefits. Currently, India is having very good service sector, whereas China is having very good manufacturing sector. So India has an opportunity to develop both service sector along with manufacturing sector. If we can upgrade our manufacturing sector along with the service sector, in which we are already performing very well, so this change and the shift in the manufacturing sector will give more employment and more economic power to the government of India as well as Indians. So with the help of that, we can reduce the unemployment problem. Obviously, the infrastructure and rest of the things will keep on improving, and we can become a very great nation, and India has a tremendous opportunity to become Vishwaguru again. I think that as an Indian, we must restrain ourselves to our houses, and we must take care of our country, and we must control COVID. We will not participate only, rather we will contribute in this Mahayagna. So thank you very much. This is my message. Thank you.